You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more confusing names and vocabulary that many get wrong. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Amrita. Amrita. Stress on the second syllable. Now in American English it might be said sometimes as Amrita, but in English generally, Amrita. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, thanks for your support. It means a lot to me and helps me immensely. Subscribe to stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.